All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV, MG Sports TV, as you guys know. All right, so we're gonna discuss the Reggae Girls, actually the under 15 team. Now, let's start off by saying, listen, there's no female football commission as possible to recognize, other than that's only one keeping. So no, one keeping, but it's not on a top tier recognized basis on that. That is actually taking place in Sligoville, hosted by a few persons, like the community come together to keep that competition. I don't know a lot about that commission. I got invited to be to come at the commission, but unfortunately, most of my Saturdays I'm doing other football leagues coverage. So hopefully I can get to go there at some point in time. But this team, this under 15 team, has been selected, and to be honest, most of us don't know much about the team. Most of us do not know much about the team. But first, the list is out, the names are out. But we also want to get first thing first. What is this under 15 competition about? And let's even find out some of the teams that are participating in the competition. So before I get into that, I would really appreciate it if you guys smash that like button and hit the subscribe button, people. As you know, I'm on the road to 50,000 subscribers. Very far-fetched, extremely far-fetched, but guess what? It's not impossible. Only way to reach here is by you guys hitting that subscriber button and turn on your notification bell so you get the latest update at all time. All right, so let's get straight. Okay, so let's get straight to the details, people. I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's do some in-depth research on the competition itself. Let's understand what is this competition about before we get into the Reggae Girls list. So let me mute this so you guys can hear me clearly. So the 2022 Concacaf Girls Under 15 Championship final roster announced. Developmental tournament kicks off July the 31st in Tampa, Florida. Fans can follow and enjoy all action through the official Concacaf app. So let's go. Miami, Florida, the final 18 player roster for the 20 nations competing in the 4th edition of Concacaf Girls Under 15 Championship have been submitted ahead of the start of the tournament on July 31st, which is tomorrow. The rosters have been selected and submitted by each member association and are published as such. In order to be eligible to play in the 2022 Under 15 Championship, all players are subject to and must fully comply with the criteria stipulated in the applicable FIFA player eligibility regulations. That's where the final rosters are. In accordance with the competition regulations, changes to the final roster will only be allowed in the event of force majeure or injury are up until 24 hours before each team's first match. All changes must be approved by Concacaf. Round robin group stage will take place, okay, so there will be to and from, and between July 31st and August 3, followed by a single elimination knockout round with all 44 matches. With all 44 matches played at the Hillsborough County Tournament Complex. The complete schedule is available as well. In League A, the group winners and second place finishers will advance to the semifinals. So 2 teams from League A will advance, while League B will see 3 groups winners and the best second place finishers advance. Okay, so for League B, okay, so it's situated in league structure. So League A will appreciate, I wonder which one of the leagues Jamaica fall in. 2 winners. First and second will advance in League A, and in League B, only 1 winner with best second place finisher advance into the semifinals. Furthermore, the teams that do not advance to the knockout stage will dispute an additional match for final position in the competition. The reigning champions of Concacaf Under 15 Girls Championship is the United States, who claimed their second crown in 2018 final with a 3-0 win over Mexico. So that there, people, is a lot of details. Let's get to the schedule. All right, let's have a look at the teams first. Let's have a look at the teams. 32 teams. 32 teams to take part in the 2022 Concacaf Girls under 15 championship. So let's have a look at the teams. Okay, so these are the teams in League A. 7 highest ranked teams and guest teams. We have Canada, Costa Rica, Haiti, Jamaica, Mexico, Puerto Rico, United States, and the guest nation. Now, the important aspect of this is that initially when I announced to you guys about League A, for both groups, it seems that there'll be 2 groups for League A. First and second will advance in League A. In League B, first places for each group will advance. And League C, the lowest ranked teams, they will compete against League B. The competition format, this is how the competition format. Within each league, the participating team will be divided into groups of 4 for each teams each. After rounds robin play, the 2 groups winners and second place finishers of League A will advance to the knockout stages and will play for the tournament's championship. For League B and C, the 3 group winners and the best second place finishers will advance to the semifinals of their respective league. Furthermore, the remaining teams in each league will dispute in an additional match for final position in the competition. The knockout stages of each league will be disputed in a single match direct elimination format, beginning with the semifinals, followed by a final and the third place match. With this format, each league will crown a champion and guarantee that every participating team plays a minimum of 4 competitive matches. Concacaf will announce the groups and schedule in the upcoming weeks. Fans will be able to follow and enjoy the competition through the Confederation TV network, including Flow Sports. For other territories, event will be available on official Concacaf app and all subject to territory restriction. Oof. Oh boy. All right, so that there is the details surrounding the competition setup. So what I'm going to do now, people, I'm going to go over to the Reggae Girlz squad and show you, list out the names of the players who will be participating. Who will participate in? No, don't know. After Japa. I mean, anyways, let's go straight to it now. Let's go over to the girls, the squad. Let's have a look at the squad, people. Hopefully you guys are seeing this good. I highly doubt it because it's let's see. It's actually not moving at all. Anyways, so this is the squad, people, the Reggae Girlz squad, under 15 squad. The names are, we have Jane Anderson, Chanel Goodall. Those are the 2 goalkeepers that brought the team. The team comprised of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it's an 18 squad, 18 player squad. So we have Shantae Price, we have Devane Lewis, Dejane Lewis, Bella Drummond, Italia Robinson. We have Destiny Powell, Maya, very, very hard name. I'll try best not to pronounce that name, people. Very, very hard name. But definitely at some point in time, I will catch on to that name. We have Elizabeth Miller, Rakiana Richards, Olivia Ashburns, and Alia Allen. We have Phoenix White, Shanae Ashley, Tavia Gale, Cassandra Smith, and Cyan Killer. So those are the names. And let me tell you, let me be clear, people. Let me be clear and frank. I don't know any one of these players. I don't know any one of these young ladies. I do not know them. First of all, I've only watched a few of the schoolgirl football competition. I've only watched a few of them. But I have been keeping track, but I didn't do any in-depth analysis on those games. I was at the final, so I can account for it. But the thing is that I don't know the age limit. I don't know the age bracket because there's no definite competition per se for the Reggae Girlz or for girls inside of Jamaica. And I do believe, I 100% believe that this is something that must be addressed as soon as possible. We're selecting a team and no one knows the players. No one understands. Well, you will find coaches who are in and around the team who might know these players well way better than I do, because they are coaches and would have seen them played. But I don't. If I'm being honest, I don't. But most definitely, I will try my best to keep on track to see how best we can do the coverage of this. Until next time, people. So I won't go any further. Until next time, people, let me leave this up on the screen so you guys can keep on have a better look. So people, hopefully you guys are doing good. Until next time, people, I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV, people. We're out. Boom.